Hi there. Imagine being stuck in a storm with no power, no signal, and no way to charge your phone. Sounds stressful, right? That is why having a reliable emergency device matters. Welcome back to Tech Kingo. Today we are looking at the best emergency weather radio that keeps you informed, powered, and safe when it matters most. Let's get started. Up next is the Preparedness Emergency Weather Radio. This device is designed to be a dependable companion, whether you are at home during a power outage or exploring the outdoors on a hiking trip. The first thing you will notice is its rugged and weather-resistant build. It feels solid in the hand and is made to handle tough conditions like heavy rain, floods, earthquakes, or unexpected emergencies. You can keep it in your emergency kit or clip it to your backpack without worry. One of the most important features of the Preparedness Emergency Weather Radio is its access to AM, FM, and NOAA weather channels. This means you can receive real-time weather updates and emergency alerts. From hurricanes and cyclones to sudden storms or even tsunami warnings, you stay informed when every second counts. The extended antenna helps improve signal reception, and the analog tuning makes it simple to find your desired station without complicated controls. There is also a built-in SOS alarm. If you ever find yourself in danger, this alarm can send out a distress signal to alert others nearby. It adds an extra layer of security, especially in remote areas. For quieter moments, the radio includes a headphone jack so you can listen privately without disturbing others. Another very useful feature is the integrated LED flashlight. During power outages or when you are outdoors at night, this bright light helps you see clearly and move safely. It reduces panic and gives you confidence in dark or low visibility conditions. Power flexibility is where the Preparedness Emergency Weather Radio really shines. It comes with a large 9,000 mAh rechargeable battery. Not only does it power the radio, but it also works as an emergency power bank for your smartphone or other small devices. When your phone battery is almost dead, this feature can be a real lifesaver. Charging options are impressively versatile. You can recharge it using solar power, which is perfect for outdoor adventures or long blackouts. There is also a hand crank generator, so even if there is no sunlight, you can generate power manually. On top of that, it supports Type-C and USB input charging for everyday convenience. This means you are never limited to just one power source. Despite all these features, the Preparedness Emergency Weather Radio remains compact and lightweight. It is easy to carry, store, and access quickly. Inside the box, you get a USB cord, a user manual, and a handy lanyard, so it is ready to use right away. Stay prepared and stay confident. Check the price link in the description to learn more about this powerful emergency companion. And if you found this helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more simple and practical tech content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.